VisionGlassToronto Limited, your auto glass, sunroofs, convertible tops, and trim specialist since 1990. Hello friends, my name is Mark Block from VisionGlassToronto Limited, and today I want to talk to you about the importance of servicing your power sliding sunroofs and moonroofs. Sunroof systems are designed to take on water, but in the course of time, particles like pine needles, leaves, sand, road salt can build up in the rail assembly of your sunroof, causing operational difficulties and drainage problems. Part of our sunroof and service includes cleaning the rail system of all debris, re-lubricating with the proper lubricants the rail assembly of your sunroof. Also cleaning out the drainage systems which are on all four corners of your moonroof to ensure that no water builds up and leaks inside the car. Now that we've cleaned out the rail assembly, we're going to test the drains by pouring water into the drain trough and watching the water drain out the drain tubes in the four corners of the sunroof panel assembly. Sometimes your sunroof panel can become misaligned with your roof panel, and the sunroof seal can separate away from the opening of your roof. That closes much better and much tighter. Sometimes if something jams the sunroof or if a battery is disconnected, the sunroof can lose its calibration. We can recalibrate the sunroof though and get it back to regular operating specifications. Okay, we've completed putting the sunroof panel back together. We're going to complete our service by doing a full cycle check. And all of the one-touch features work. Do you have a broken sunroof? Or a non-operational sunroof? Do you need the trust of a professional to work on your exotic car? Or the needs of a custom sunroof such as a fire truck? Do you need calibrations? Or a complete full panoramic replacement? At Vision Glass Toronto Limited, we can take care of all of your sunroof needs. Look for us online at VisionGlassToronto.com and let us take care of you today.